uh, factors of a cube plus b cube is equal to first bracket a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. And I told you to solve practice set 6.2, but number of students made mistake in how to solve factorization. I am giving you the solution of all examples. See practice set 6.2. Practice set 6.2. In that first example is x cube plus 64y cube. X cube as it is, as 64y cube is 4y bracket cube, is equal to, in first bracket, cube root, sum of cube root x plus 4y. In second bracket, x square bracket, first term square, the first term is x square, product of first term into second term minus x into 4y, plus 4y bracket cube, bracket square, 4y bracket square. Then take one more step, x plus 4y, the second bracket x square minus 4xy plus square of 4y is 16y square. See second example, 125 p cube plus q cube. One 25 p cube is cube of 5p bracket cube plus q cube is equal to, in first bracket, sum of the cube root 5p plus q. In square bracket, first term square 5p bracket square minus 5p into q plus q square, second term square. Square bracket complete. Again 5p plus q, the square of 5p is 25p square minus 5p cube plus q square, and the factors of 125p cube plus q cube. Third one is 125 k cube plus 27 m cube. 125 k cube is a cube of 5k bracket cube plus 27 m cube is a 3m bracket cube. Then first bracket, sum of the cube root 5k plus 3m. The second bracket, 5k bracket square minus 5k into 3m plus 3m bracket square. Then first bracket as it is 5k plus 3m. The second bracket, square of 5k is 25k square minus 15km plus 9m square. Square of 3m is 9m square, are the factors of 125k cube plus 27m cube. Fourth one is 2l cube plus 432 m cube. Take 2 common, in square bracket l cube plus 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12 m cube. Only factorize this 2 as it is, l cube plus 216m cube is a cube of 6m bracket cube. 6m, cube of 6 is 216, cube of 5 is 125. Therefore cube of 6 is 216. Then 2 as it is, in first bracket, sum of cube root l plus 6m, in second bracket l square minus l into 6m plus 6m bracket square. Then 2 as it is, l plus 6m as it is, in round bracket l square minus 6lm plus 36m square are factors of 2l cube plus 432 m cube. Fifth one is 24a cube plus 81 b cube. In this also take 3 as common, because we can divide 24 and 81 by 3. So take 3 common. In bracket, in square bracket, 8a cube, 3 8 is 24, and 3 into 27 is 81. So 27 b cube. This 3 as it is square bracket. 8a cube is a cube of 2a bracket cube, plus 27 b cube is a cube of 3b bracket cube. So 3a as it is. In first bracket, sum of the cube root 2a plus 3b. The second bracket, 2a bracket square minus 2a into 3b plus 3b bracket square. 3 in bracket, 2a plus 3b, 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square are the factors of 24a cube plus 8b cube. Then sixth one is y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube is equal to y cube plus 1 upon 2y bracket cube. In first bracket, y plus 1 upon 2y, in second bracket, y square minus y into 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 2y bracket square. Y plus 1 upon 2y, in second bracket, this y cancel, y square minus 1 upon 2, sorry, 1 upon 2, square of 1 upon 2y is 1 upon 4y square. Are the factors of y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. Seventh one is a cube plus 8 upon a cube is equal to a cube plus 8 is a cube of 2 and a cube is a cube of a, 2 upon a bracket cube. In first bracket, sum of the cube root, a plus 2 upon a. In second bracket, a square minus a into 2 upon a plus 2 upon a bracket square. A plus 2 upon a cancel, a square minus 2 plus 4 upon a square are the factors of a cube plus 8 upon a cube. Last one is 8(1). You write all these examples once again and send me. 1 plus q cube upon 125 is equal to 1 is cube of 1. So 1 cube plus this is a cube of q upon 5 bracket cube, because q cube is a cube of q and 125 is a cube of 5. 1 q upon 5 bracket cube. The first bracket 1 plus q upon 5. The second bracket 1 square minus 1 into q upon 5 plus q upon 5 bracket square. Is equal to 1 plus q upon 5. In second bracket 1 minus product of 1 into q upon 5 is only q upon 5 plus q of square of q upon 5 is q square upon 25. Right? We write all these examples like this and save it. Okay.